Hey YouTube, and welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video I have some really quick, like super easy snacks, treats that you can make for the holidays. You guys, I'm gonna just show y'all what it is, what I made up in here. Okay, so we first have these cute marshmallows. Look at that. And the good thing about this is, you guys know marshmallows are not really that sweet. So I just put a little bit of candy melts on it. Look at that. Super cute, super adorable. Next thing is sugar wafers. You guys know sugar wafers are a good snack. And I did not overdo it by dipping the whole thing in candy melts. You guys, these are super cute. Marshmallows. This is also another way that you can serve the marshmallows, just by dipping it a little bit, and then, shoot, look at that. Super cute. Look at that. Now these are the Oreos, the dipped Oreos. These are the ones that my daughter made. The Christmas ones that I made, you guys, my kids ate them. Like, they gone. My kids ate them. I don't got nothing to show y'all for them. They're gone. But I just wanted to show some really quick things. You can also put these down in baskets, give these out as gifts. You guys, these are cute. So my kids are pretty much about to eat these. Like, this is the best video that they think ever. So if you have any questions on it at all, or on anything, please feel free to ask, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye. Okay, it's one more thing that I made that I almost forgot, and that is the Grinch popcorn. I think this came out, you guys, this came out great. I even tasted, y'all, it was really, really good. My son is in the room right now waiting for me to show this to y'all so he can get a bag. It's very cute. And like I said, it doesn't have to be Christmas themed. You know, just change the color up with some food coloring. This could be anything for any party, any event. All of these are super simple to do. Like, they're all really easy to do. Okay, now I'm gone. Now let's get into it. Okay, so first what we're going to do is we are going to do the big marshmallows, and we are also going to be doing the wafers. And what you're going to need is, you are going to need a surface with some parchment paper on it, and as well as some candy melt. I have all types of colors here. I'm going to be doing some Christmas themed ones, and my daughter, I don't know what she's going to be doing, whatever she feels like. We also have some, what is these, cupcake wrappers. I guess she's going to set her marshmallows down in there, as well as some sticks. Going to be showing you some different ways with some sticks. So the first thing you're going to want to do is melt down your candy melts inside of a cup, or you could also melt them inside of, put the pot or put the cup or the bowl inside of a pot and heat it up that way. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Okay, so now that we got our candy melts down to the consistency that we want, which is like this, so that you can just go ahead and drip it on there. I'm going to show you two different ways that you can do this. You can actually just take your whole wafer and put it down inside of the cup, and coat it about, I would say, about halfway. Trying to do this at an angle, and then where y'all can see it also. Okay, that looks about good.
Ice cream.
And go ahead and just shake it off. Put it down on your parchment paper. Maybe you don't gotta do it this way if you don't want, but then just let it run down. Go ahead, shake off the excess, set it back on your parchment paper, and just keep going. Just letting it drip down. That's pretty much all you're doing, letting it drip down. And then you just shake it. Maybe you didn't shake yours off like this, honey. I can tell. And then I'm going to show you the next step. Okay, so for the marshmallows, I'm going to be putting mine on these sticks right here. My daughter's going to be putting hers down inside of some cupcake liners. So, I'm only going to do probably about 4 of these. I'm going to put 2 marshmallows on each stick. Okay, so now that we have everything in the fridge, we're moving on to our candy coated Oreos. I have this mold that I purchased off of Amazon. And you want to make sure you have your candy melts, your sprinkles, everything that you need on hand. Alright, so I have all my candy melts ready. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a very thin layer to the bottom of it.
The same?
Yeah, go ahead. I'll let you do 4.
We're running low on pins. Thank you.
Okay, move on to the next. Come on, now. We gotta do this before it starts getting hard and drying. Alright.
Okay, let's get the
You're gonna have to use another color. Yeah.
These are gonna remind me of macarons, I think.
Macarons. And then just shake it down a little bit. Then all you're gonna do is go ahead and take a cookie. Go ahead and get one, Ariana. And go ahead, place it down in there and just give it a little push. You don't want to stick it down too far.
Yeah, like
To where it's you know, coming through on the other side. You don't want that.
This one's really thin. I think it has some more to that. Maybe just put some blue.
Some blue? Okay.
Because that looks really thin.
Hold on. Okay, and now what you're going to want to do is just go ahead and cover that bad boy on up. Oh wait, I wanted to add a very thin layer of white.
Okay,
Yeah, I got a little bit, just a tiny bit of white. That's why I only did 2 cookies. Wait, I might have some left in there.
I want to eat.
Where'd you want the white? I got a little bit.
On that one.
Alright.
I want to eat all these by myself.
You want to eat them by yourself?
This sugar. Because it looks so perfect and delicious.
Alright, let me shake it a little bit.
I put too much in it.
It's fine. Let me put this back in the microwave for a little bit.
Yep.
But as you see, my daughter completely, she covered hers. Hers is completely covered. And then you give it a little tap to smooth it on out. Alright, let's see. Alright, much better.
I think this one might be my favorite, the one with the white in it. I just tried to eat this.
Alright, I'm gonna shake it out, maybe.
Mom, look at that you put too much. Don't want us to get covered with this one.
I don't got no more white. We are completely out of white.
Okay.
Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and pop these in the fridge. Everything go in the fridge, y'all. Everything. Okay, so last we are making you know, the popcorn. What you're gonna want to do is go ahead and cook your popcorn, and then in a pan, bring some butter to a boil, and then mix some mini marshmallows or whatever type of marshmallows you got. Mix it in the pot and get it all sticky. Okay, so I have my butter all melted down in this pan, pot, whatever. I'm going to go ahead and add in some of the marshmallows as well as some food coloring. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just pour the you know, marshmallow in over it. And I decided to go green. You know, I'm doing Christmas theme, so my kids have already started eating the popcorn. And then after that, just go ahead and stir it up. I have a lid to my container, so I'm just going to put the lid on it and shake it up. And hopefully that's all I need to do. Look at that, you guys. We have candy popcorn, and what I want to do is I also want to put some red candy coating as well as some marshmallows in here. Go ahead and get some marshmallows in. Just not too much, but come on, hurry up before it dries. Then it's all stuck together. Yeah. I'm also going to be putting these down in some baggies for packaging. Alright, that's enough. Alright. And that is what the popcorn looks like. I'm going to pop this in the fridge, let it get hard, and then I'm going to go ahead and just place it in these little clear bags and wrap it up. Okay, so I went on ahead and took these out the fridge. They are very hard. I'm just going to go ahead Pop them out, you guys. I've never made these. I'm so scared. I think you just. Oh, look at that. Okay, these things just pop out really, really, really easy, and they're super cute.
Oh, look how that one looks.
Looks cute. And then you can just smooth the edges, but look at that. That is one Christmas Oreo. Look at that. That's cute. You guys, they came out super adorable. And I did the you know, different colors, so. But you can decorate the tops of these. I'm not doing it because my kids are just ready to eat them. But I just wanted to give you some ideas of what you can do. Okay, so this is everything that we made, and it looks really, really good. As you see, I just packaged up the marshmallows in one of those clear bags and put tulle over it. It looks super adorable, and you guys remember these plates that I made with the napkins. Look at everything. Look at how everything turned out. Everything is super, super awesome. Like, it looks great. Great. Look at that. Really, really cute. Like, you guys, I'm not eating none of it, but, you know, it looks good. It looks cute. So if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.